Let's start the journey with sets. So, what is set? Set is well-defined collection of objects. It is nothing but a collection. So, what is well-defined objects? Here we also talk mass about distinct objects. So, distinct objects mean they are not interrelated with each other. I mean, if we say that there is a set of real numbers, that means that it contains 1 2 3 2 to infinity. Okay. Generally sets are defined using this curly braces. Okay, so in between what we are writing, that is set, and that 1 2 3 and infinity, all are the elements of the sets. So if we say write the all vowels in English alphabet, we are writing curly braces. So that defines, we are writing the set of all vowels in English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, U. There is no other vowels in English alphabet, so these are the sets in English alphabet. So that is well defined. There is no abstraction or subjective answer to it. This is the objective approach in which we can represent the all vowels in alphabets, and there are no extra vowels we can create a thought of. So this is the answer. So this is how the set is represented. If we say favorite book collection of yours, everyone has their different book choice. Someone like Harry Potter, someone like thriller, someone like Shakespeare, someone like Bhumkesh Feluda. So that differs person to person. Then there is type of sets. There are only two type of sets. One is empty set and other one is singleton. Empty sets are generally represented by phi, and it can also represented by empty set. If we write the braces, curly braces, and in between we have written nothing, then it also represent a empty set. Generally it is represented by phi or curly braces. Phi means it has zero element in it. uh, so if we write the numbers in between 0 and 1, or we can say write the prime numbers between 0 and 1. So there is no real number that is in between 0 and 1. Okay, so that can be represented as empty set. There is singleton. If in a set there is only a one element present, if we write 1 or if we write 2 here, so it is singleton because in the set representation there is only one element present, so that is singleton, or one element present in a set. Write the write the prime numbers and even number between 0 and 3. The number that is prime and even and present in 0 and 3, that can be the only number we can think of is 2. Okay, 2 is the only number that is prime and even. There is no other number that is prime and even and present in 0 and 3, so we can write it as this type. This type. So we can write it as this. Exception is if we write the phi, the null set, in a set representation. That means in the set representation there is only one element present, that is called as singleton. Okay. The next topic is subsets and power sets. These are only two topics, and our set will be covered. So if x belongs to A and x belongs to B, then we can write it as A belongs to, it not belongs to it, A is subset of B. What I mean is, if x equals to, okay, I write it right here, that A is 1 2 3 4. It in a set representation, A is a set, and the set defined as, it is given that A is 1 2 3 4. There is B, B is given as 1 2 3 4 5. So if we can see 1 2 3 4 are there, and here is an extra element, that is 5. So we can write that A is subset of B, because B have all the elements that is present in A. So B has all the elements that is present in A and have an extra element too. So that why we can say that A is subset of B. Okay. If A will have 1 and 3, it is also, we can tell that A is also a subset of B. So if A has any element that is present in B, we can say that A is subset of B. Okay. Then there is power set. Here also a set is defined, that is 1, 2 and 3, and power set is represented by P of A, that is called as P of A. Okay. Every set has phi as an element that can be seen, because phi means there is nothing. So every set has phi as an element. If we write a power set of A, that means all the elements of A is written in a set format, that is called power set of B. If I am not clear, let's see it by the example. That is, A is 1, 2 and 3, then power set is all the elements written. All the combinations of all the elements is represented in power set. Okay. So all the elements means, the all combination of all the elements mean there there should be phi, because phi is present in every set. Okay, that is the by default configuration. So now there is A. In A there is 1. So if we take the combination, so we take 1 2 3, all the elements are taken care of. Then there is 1 and 2. So if we take combination of 1 and 2, so 1 and 2, 2 and 3, because that is combination, right? So 2 and 3 taken care of like in a set. Then there is 3 and 1, so there is 3 and 1. And if we take all the elements, that is 1 2 and 3. So here all the combinations are covered. Okay, and they are written in a set format. So all the combination of the all elements in a set format is called as power set. Okay, if we have 1 2 3 4, you can try that out too. Let me try it. If there is a set, and that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and if we want to write power set of A, that should be phi as a first element. Then there should be 1, all the combinations written in a set format, all the combinations of the element written in a set format. So initially we will write 1 2 3 4, then we can write 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 3 and 4, and 4 and 1. Then we can write 1 2 3, and here on, and last it should be 1 2 3 4. Okay, all the combinations should be here. In the examination, we not be given to write the power set of any set. If it is given, it should be not that big, because here's a question, that is how many elements there are in power set. Okay, what are elements? Number of elements. So if we see, that is number of element is 1 2 3 4, so it is too many, because we have to write all the combinations and then have to calculate. So we have the formula to calculate how many elements are there in power set. If the set is given, and we know the cardinal number. What is cardinal number? N is the cardinal number. Cardinal number means how many elements are in set A, or the set is given. Okay, how many elements? The n, or the cardinal number, is 4 here. So The number of element present in power set of A is 2 to the power 4. That is nothing but, I hope I know that, that is 16. Okay, and here A has 3 elements, so power set of A has number of elements, that is 2 to the power 3, because 3 is the cardinal number of A, because A have 3 elements in there, so that will be 8. So this is from now on, and I will see you on the next video. And in that video we will discuss about the operation we can perform on set. For this video, that's all from my side, and signing off.